Morning guys, December 3rd, 2025. Then we got a call from electrician guy that I know, and he watches this house for this guy. He's kind of like a house, like a gatekeeper for the house, so the guy's not around, so he kind of watches over the house, and if there's any repairs, he calls the guys in to do the repairs. And well, he called me, he says that I guess they're doing some work up in the second floor, that they're doing some plastering or something. And he said that they hooked a hose onto the outside faucet, and when they were running it, there was water dumping in the house. So I told him it's probably a frost-free faucet that's split. It's only going to leak when you run the faucet, you know. Told him the guy's got to make sure he takes the hose off when he's done with it so it can drain out. Well, he's saying that this is the first time he put the hose on it, and now it's flooding the house. But then I got to go over there and replace the outside faucet. The frost-free faucet's probably split. Well, obviously it ain't gonna leak until they try to use the faucet, right? And then it's like a sleeve over a sleeve inside the faucet. What they call frost-free. It can't freeze as long as you take the hose off. When you shut it off, it drains out. But if you leave the hose on it and it don't drain out, it's going to split. Common problem. I tell people all the time about this. You know, no one seems to want to listen. So I go replace it and charge them. So I called him back, and I made sure that if this guy uses the hose again and don't take it off, and he splits again, it's not going to be my fault. I'm going to record this sucker, make sure I got it on, so it's not my issue. Got to cover your ass. Gotta put a new one on there. I don't know why they got this. If they got this, you don't need that. I gotta take all these shelves out. I gotta get up there to cut it. I can't get up there if these shelves are in my way. Use the towel and track through the house here. These fucking guys can track through the house with the... I don't care. Get all the flipping water. Flipping water. Water from hell. Where the hell this thing is, kind of here. It's all buckled. Well, we got some wet paper here, Ma. It ain't gonna be any good. These towels are all wet. What do we got here? The rug upside down so I don't make a mess. Took all the shelving out, put all the stuff over here, wiped up the floor. I should be able to get my ladder and get up there now. It probably goes up and right out. I gotta make a cut and replace that piece. All the shelving over here for now. My stuff here, let's see what's going on. If I can get up there. Wow, he's pretty high. see if I can, hopefully I can get, yeah. I'm low enough where I could. Oh yeah, I could see it. She looks a little puffy there, Mama. See if I can make a cut up here and then put a coupling on it. This is off. This should be off. We didn't have it off all the way. Should be off. Good thing my little midget cutter will just barely fit in there. Yeah. I need to get my wrench. I'm gonna have to grind it. I cut it, I cleaned it, and I gotta grab it from outside. There's a little stop right here. I was able to open that. It's called stopping a waste. I should be able to bring it in and solder a coupling right there on a new piece. Valves holding. Here's a leaker. Oh yeah, she's a puffy. She's a little puffy one. That's a 6-inch. I usually go with the 8. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. A puff ball. I'll send them a picture. So I should be able to. I'll just take a measurement there and. Alright, so from the end, the end to there is 18 3/4. 18 3/4. I usually like to just back these out. It makes it simple for me. I won't cook them. You don't really have to worry about that, but I'm going to take them apart. Doesn't take no time to do it. We don't cook that joint. I'm going to cook that rubber. I like to go right inside and just solder it right there. It's a better joint. Not gonna leak. I have used female adapters before, and sometimes they leak. So I gotta get a rag. When you gonna retire?
Soon, I hope.
Soon?
I wish.
How old?
I'm on 53.
Oh, you're young.
Can't retire yet.
You're still a puppy.
I gotta keep working. What is it, 67 nowadays?
I don't know. 53.
Yeah. How many years of doing this bullshit?
I'm 61.
Almost there.
Nah, I don't really want to retire.
Yeah. They say it's not good to retire.
I gotta find a rich girl.
Yeah.
I'm looking.
Oh, rich girl, retire already.
18 3/4. That's it right there. Should be able to put a coupling on there and solder it up. She's a little puffy, Mama. That looks good. Solder joint looks good. These new guys ask me about the Pro Press. I mean, I don't have a problem with the Pro Press. I just don't need it. I mean, it's good for a commercial job. Hospital or something, you got a hard time shutting the valves off and it can't drain the whole building down, then a Pro Press is worth it. But what I do in a house, it's not worth it. It's not a good idea. You don't need it. You want to use it, knock yourself out. Not gonna be me. I got that bleeder downstairs, so I'm not going to be building pressure because I got that bleeder. I don't know if it's going to, I'm going to have to I'll drill it higher. I don't know. I'll get some little better screws than what was in there. The other ones were a little... These are better screws for sure. I want to keep it down as much as I can.
So they're gonna move this.
And then you could, you know, you guys can pull in, and then I'll get out of here. See if I can solder that without burning down the house. Should be good. Well, the snot of rolls will turn it on so it leaks. Should be good. I got the faucet outside altogether. I got the bleeder open on the bottom here, so yeah, cooked it a little bit, but insulation's going back on there. I'm not too worried about it. Will it leak? I hope not. We'll find out, I guess, won't we? It's kind of a tight-ass area. I could have put metal up there if I wanted. I did. Yeah, it's not leaking. I did put the faucet together outside before I came in. So. Make sure the packet's tight. I can put the insulation back. Let's put the insulation back the way it was. You never even knows. A little wet up there, but oh well. I should be able to run it outside and it should be fine. Yeah, decent. I don't mind using these here. They're decent valves. How about the 8-inch ones?